In this video, we will be painting a gold dragon Wyrmling. I've had this little figure for a little bit, and I want to paint it. First, we use some metallic pure gold as something of a base coat. And while we have it out, we're also going to use the pure gold on the little dragon's hoard. And now we're going to do a second coat of the pure gold. Now we use some metallic Inca gold for the belly scales. And now a second coat of Inca gold, just to tidy it up. Now we dry brush some Inca gold just to help bring out a little bit of the detail. Back to the hoard, we're going to use some metallic sterling silver to add some variety to the coins and gems and other things that this little dragon has collected. Inside the mouth, we're going to use some satin pink melon. And for the teeth, we're going to use some satin wicker white. We're going to use some satin sunbeam for the eyes. Normally I would make sure the eyes contrast, but all the artwork I've seen of gold dragons, they seem to have a fairly uniform gold color, even on the eyes. For the base, we're going to use some matte English ivy green. Back to the hoard once again, we're going to use some gloss bright green to act as gems on the broken crown. Now for the fire, we're going to use some satin sunbeam. And then we're going to blend that satin sunbeam up into some glow-in-the-dark orange. And then on the tips of the fire, we're going to use some color shift red flash in a dry brushing. I'm going pretty heavy-handed on the dry brushing here, just to add some accents and bring out the detail a little bit more. Now we use some super glue on the little base and stick the dragon to it. I'm also going to use a touch of super glue on the base of the fire and put that into the dragon's mouth just to make sure it stays. And there is our little dragon's hoard all finished up. And here is the gold dragon. I really do like how that turned out. The fire is such a nice touch and adds a blast of color, pardon the pun, that really brings it to life. If you'd like to see more painting of D&D or simply of dinosaurs as well, please do subscribe.